Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 7 and Day 13. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser, crayons along with you. Let us move to the class, my dear children. Are you ready? Yes. Let us see the phonics section, my dear children. We learned many word families in different three-letter words, right? Today we have to do our worksheets, okay? Are you ready? Yes. Now you will take your workbook and also pencil. Worksheet number 21, question number 2, page number 72, my dear children. I'll give 5 seconds time. You'll open your workbook. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I hope you are all opened your workbook. See this, my dear children. This is the worksheet number 21. Question number 2. Match the word with pictures. Okay. We read many words from three-letter words in phonics sounds, right? Word families. First of all, we have to read these words. After that, we have to match the word with pictures. Wig, wig, cob, cob, dog, dog, tin, tin, sit, sit. Now, are you ready to match the word with pictures? Yes. Wig. Where is the picture having? Here. So, you have to draw a line, word with picture. Next, what is this picture? Cob. Where is that? Here. So, you have to draw a line, word with picture. Next, dog. Dog. Where is that picture having, my dear children? Here. So, you have to draw a line, word with picture. Next, tin. Here. So, you have to match the word with picture. Next, sit. Here having, right? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Let us check your answers. Yes. If you are not finished means you have to pause this video and then match the word with pictures. Do this activity neatly, okay? Don't scribble the note, my dear children. I'll give 3 seconds time. Yes, I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, you are all finished. Next, let us move to the next worksheet. Worksheet number 22, question number 1. Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Which worksheet I said to take that? Yes, worksheet number 22. What is the question number of this? Question number 1. We will take this. Page number, what is that? 73. Are you ready, my dear children? Already we did some worksheet from this related questions, okay? Circle the pictures from the same word family as the first word in the box, right? See that? In this question, you have to circle the picture in the each row which is the same word family, the first one in the box, okay? Here, என்ன கொஸ்டின்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்களா first oneல we have to read this. After that, here having any related word family means you have to circle the picture. Okay? Do you understand? Yes. See the first question. A. Dog. Dog. Let us see the another words. Mob. Mob. Fog. Fog. Pick. Pick. So, this is the first one, dog. Here having any related word family from this dog picture? Can you guess the answer? Yes. Dog, fog. So, you have to circle this picture. Next question. Fin. Fin. Tip. Tip. Tin. Tin. Pit. Pit. So, shall you say the answer? Fin. Here having any same word family from this Great, my dear children. Fin, tin. So you have to circle this picture. Next, see question. Pick, pick. Sit, sit. Mob, mob. Wig, wig. So you have to say the answer. Which one has the same word family from this first one? Yes. Pick, wig. So you have to circle this picture. Next. Cob, cob. Sob, sob. Log, log. Fig, fig. So can you guess the answer? Which one? Yes, cob, sob. Yeah, see this, my dear children. This is the correct answer from this worksheet number 21, question number 1 questions. Circle the pictures from the same word family as in the first one box, right? So I'll give 3 seconds time. Just you have to complete this. I start counting. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Let us move to the next question. Today also in our phonics class we have to complete the 3 questions from our worksheets. Okay. Now next question, worksheet number 22, question number 2. Yes. See that. Cross out the odd word. Cross out the odd word. You have to find the odd word that does not belong to the same word family and cross it out. Okay. Odd one means different. Here having 4 pictures, right? So this 4 pictures, 3 pictures have a same word family. Only one is different. So we have to find that word. After that we have to cross out the word. Okay. Are you clear from this question, my dear children? Shall we do this now? Yes. See the first question. Dog. Fog. Dog. Fog. Dog. Fig. Fig. Log. Log. I say the first one answer, right? Here is a fog. Here having dog and log also same word family. So fig is the another word family. This is the different picture. So we have to cross out the word. Okay. What we have to do? Cross out. Okay. Yes. See that we have to cross out the word. Let us see the another questions. You have to say the answers. Bin. Bin. Tip. Tip. Tin. Tin. Pin. Pin. So which has a different word family? Great, my dear children. Tip. Tip. Another 3 are same word family. Tip is a different one. So we had to cross out this. Next, see question. Wig. Pig. Rob. Pig. So, once again I read the question. You had to guess the answer and say to me. Wig. Pig. Rob. Pig. Yes. Can you guess the answer? Which one? Rob. So we had to cross out this. Next question. Sit. Hit. Kit. Fin. Sit. Hit. Kit. And fin. So which has a different word family, my dear children? Yes. Fin. So you had to cross out this. Yes. See that. Check your answers. I'll give 3 seconds time. I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. If you are not complete means you have to pause this video and then complete your worksheet. Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the whole word section. From today's class, we have to write the spelling of the whole word. Okay, we will do a dictation now. Okay, are you ready? I will show the flashcards of a word. Okay, you will say the word, you will find the word and then write down your notebook independently. You will take your notebook, take the whole words page. Okay, I'll give 3 seconds time. I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I hope you are all opened your notebook. What is this word? Very, very, very. Yes, now you have to write down your notebook. I'll give 3 seconds time. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Has, 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 has. I start counting. 3, 2, 1. Yes, next one. Long, 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 long. Yes, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Fast, 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 fast. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Leaves, 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 leaves. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Write neatly, my dear children. Next. Louse, 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 louse. Start counting. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next. Saw, saw, saw. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Next. Heard, 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 heard. I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Have you all finished? Next. Ears, ears, ears. Spell and write it, my dear children. Don't scribble the note. Write neatly. Ears, ears. Start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Have you all finished? Next, this is the last one. Gave, 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 gave. Start counting. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Once again, I say the word. You have to check out your answers. Very, has, long, fast, lives, loves, saw, heard, ears and gave. Yes. If you make a mistake, you'll write 5 times. Okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the reading and listening comprehension section. Shall we recap the character and settings? Yes. Who are the characters in the story all about animals? Yeah, great. Zebra, deer, polar bear, elephant and then giraffe, right? What are the some of the settings in the story? Do you know about that? Yes. Forest and ice ball, right? So, some of the characters' actions that we all saw in the story were running, lifting, standing and so on, right? Do you remember that story, my dear children? Yes. Now, we will read another story and find out the characters, setting and the actions of the characters. Shall we read that? Yes. Now you will open your SR book, SR 16, Leela and the Bird, page number 59, and also take your workbook, page number 74, worksheet number 23, question number 1. We have to read the word. While we are reading this story, we have to find out the character, setting, action about this story. Okay? Now I'll give 3 seconds time. You will open this too also. I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Just keep your pencil or finger like this, okay? Leela and the bird. Leela and the bird. Author Namita Goel. Illustrations Gigdi Ben Ha. See the first page. This is Leela. She lives in a village, right? From this page, who is the character? Yes, Leela is the character. Then where is the setting, my dear children? Yes, village. Let us move the not having here actions. Let us see the next page. See that? She is 7 years old. She lives with her parents, right? Here, who is the character in this page? Yes, Leela and parents are the characters in this page. Where is the setting? Where is the character? That means setting. Yes, village, right? What is the action here? That means what is the character doing? Lives. Vasikaradu. Lives, right? Yes, let us see the next page. She loves all animals. She loves all animals. Let us discuss who is the character. Yes, Leela and animals, right? Where is the character? Settings. Village and farm, right? Then action word here. Loves. Loves means anbu, right? Next. Leela heard some noise. She saw a big tree, right? Leela heard some noise. She saw a big tree. From this page, who is the character? Leela and bird, right? Where is the character? God and park like that, right? What is the character doing? Here, see. Here and see are the actions, right? Next page. She saw some bird crying. She saw a bird crying. The bird was hurt. From this page, who is the character? Leela and bird is the character. Where is the character, my dear children? Just you have to guess the answers. Yes, God and park like that. What is the character doing? என்ன பண்றாங்க பார்க்கறாங்க இந்த bird என்ன பண்ணுது அழுகுது இல்லையா so see and cry are the actions from this page, right? Yes, let us move the next page. Leela helped the bird. She gave food to the bird, right? Leela helped the bird. She gave food to the bird, right? From this page, who is the character? Leela and bird, right? Where is the character? Garden or park anything. Action என்ன பண்ணாங்க? Gave present give கொடுக்கறாங்க என்ன கொடுக்கறாங்க food. So give is the action word from this, right? Yes. Let us see the next page. The bird was happy. The bird flew away, right? So from this page also, Leela and bird is the character. Then where is the character? That means setting, garden and park. Then what is the action? Fly, right? Yes. So my dear children, just you have to check out your answers from your worksheet number 23, question number 1, character, setting and actions. I'll give 30 seconds time. You will see and write. If you are not complete means you have to pause this video and then write your workbook neatly, my dear children. Character, setting and actions, right? Just you have to identify the, while you are reading the story, you have to identify the character and settings and actions, okay? Write neatly, okay, my dear children? Now I will show the CRS for vocabulary words. You have to find out the words from your SR book, okay? Parents. Parents. Parents means what? Petrorgal. Parents. Yes. Noise. Noise. Noise means sattam. Noise. Yes. Crying. Crying. Crying means what? Alugaradu. Crying. Crying. Hurt. 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 Yes. Flu. Flu. Flu means parakaradu. Flu. Flu. Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Do you understand for the vocabulary words from this story? Yes. Now I'll show the next slide. You have to listen carefully. Leela and the bird. We read that story, right? Answer in one word. You will take your SR book. Just you have to find out the answers from this, okay? Who is the character in page number 1? We read that story, right? Yes. What is the character? Who is the character in the page number 1? Leela. Who is the character on page 1? Leela. Yes. Where are the characters in the story? Where are the characters? Yes, village, forest, farms like that. Village. Where is that? Where are the characters in the story? Village. Yes. Who are the characters on page number 6? You have to find out the answer and say, my dear children, only one word. Page number 6. Who are the characters? Yes, Bird and Leela. Leela and Bird are the characters on page 6. Right. Where is the bird on page 6? Where is the bird on page 6? Yes. Tree. 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 What did Leela give to the bird? What did Leela give, ma? Yes. Food. Food. Right? Yes. Let us do an worksheet 24 question number. This one, you have to take your rule pencil and open your worksheet number 24, page number 75. I'll give 3 seconds time. I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. You have to open your worksheet. See the first question. Who is the character on page 1? Let us say the answer, my dear children. Leela. So you have to circle this word. Next. Where are the characters in the story? Where are the characters in the story, my dear children? City, village, school. Yeah, great. Village. You have to circle this word. Next. Who are the characters on page 6? Yes, Leela, puppy, bird. Here having 2. Leela and baby. Bird also same. Leela, bird. You have to circle these 2 words. Next. Where is the bird on page 6? Tree, forest, water. Great, my dear children. Tree. You have to circle this word. Next. What did Leela give the bird? என்ன கொடுத்தாங்க லீலா பேர்டுக்கு? Yes, food. So you have to circle this word. Yeah, great, my dear children. Just you have to check out your answers. If you are not complete means what you have to do? You have to pause this video and then circle the word correctly. Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the grammar section. Shall we do one action words activity? Yes, now I will show the CRL, okay? You listen carefully. See that? Write the action words you see in the pictures. See that? I'll give 30 seconds time. What actions here going on? Yes, speaking, reading, standing, smiling, right? These are all the actions here going on from this slide, right? Yeah, great, my dear children. Now you will open your notebook, grammar page. Grammar page, you have to write down the actions. What did you see in these pictures, okay? Yes. Smiling, standing, reading, speaking or talking, anything, right? Yeah, let us see the next. What they are doing. Playing, building, standing, running, smiling, eating, lying. They are all the actions here going on, right? So this also you have to write down your notebook. If you don't know means you have to ask your sisters, mom or brothers like that, okay? Kicking, running, standing, smiling, sitting, playing, lying. Yes. So if you are not finished means you will write it now in your home, my dear children. After that, if you go anywhere, you have to think out the action words, okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. Next, let us move to the worksheet, writing and speaking expression skill. From this, shall we do one worksheet? Yes, you will do your worksheet number 25, question number 1. I'll give 3 seconds time. Page number 76, my dear children. Complete the sentence by using words from the boxes below. So we have to use the words from this box. We have to complete the sentence here, okay? I'll give 3 seconds time. You have to open your worksheet number 25, question number 1, page number 76. I'll give 3 seconds time. I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I hope you are all open this page. Look, the bird is, what is this? Yes, crying. Here having any word? Yes, crying. You have to take the word and write it here. Next. I love my, what is this picture? Parents. So you have to take the word and write out here. Next, the bird dash away. Yes, flew. You have to take the word and write it this blank. Do not make so much, what? Noise. You take the word and write it now. See that? Crying, parents, flew, noise. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now listen to the word. I wrote the upper and lowercase letters. First, let us see the uppercase letters. Yes, yes, T, T, U, U, V, V. Next, lowercase letters. Yes, T, U, and V. So you will take your notebook, writing and speaking expression page. You will write each letter 5 times in your notebook. Write neatly, my dear children. Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us see that today's class shall we revise what we learned today. We complete the worksheets in our phonics class. After that, whole words. I gave some whole words. If you make a mistake means you will write 5 times for that whole words. Then reading and listening comprehension, we read one new story, right? After that, we did a worksheet. Then in our grammar part, we saw the action words. You will write down your notebook neatly. If you don't know the spelling means, you will ask your parents or your sisters. Then writing and speaking expression skill, we complete one worksheet. After that, upper and lower case letters S, T and U, V. You will write down your notebooks 5 times. Write neatly, my dear children. Let us see the next class. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning. Be safe, my dear children.